Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix contacts not showing up on iPhone. The first thing that you'll need to do is go into Settings. Once in Settings, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select Contacts. After you have selected Contacts, you want to go into Accounts. Once in Accounts, you'll see all of the email addresses that you are signed in with, and you want to select Gmail, and from here you want to ensure that Contacts is turned on, as you can see here. And if you had signed in with a Yahoo account also, you will go into Yahoo and continue down the line. And you also want to tap on iCloud, and then you'll tap on name and phone number, and you want to ensure that that information is entered correctly. And then you'll tap on iCloud right here, and you want to enable email and contacts. After you have done that, if you want to import the contacts from your SIM card, if you felt like you stored the number on your SIM card, you'll tap on import SIM contacts. And after doing all of that, if you still don't see the phone number or contacts in your iPhone, I would recommend that you go into the Contacts app, tap on Groups in the top left hand corner, and from here you want to ensure that all of these are ticked. Then you'll tap on Done, and that's it. Hopefully these steps were able to help you to put the contacts on your iPhone to get it to show. If it did, be sure to let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.